हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे स्पीकिंग में हम कैसे अच्छे बैंड्स लेके आ सकते हैं, कौन सी टिप्स और ट्रिक्स को यूज करके हमारी स्पीकिंग को कैसे इनहांस कर सकते हैं। तो क्या आप लोग सब तैयार हैं? सो गेट इनटू द वीडियो। ओके, सो हमारी फर्स्ट टिप फॉर स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल है बाय टाइम नेचुरली। अब इसका मतलब क्या है, आप सोच रहे होंगे। इसका मतलब ये है कि जब हम एग्जामिनर के सामने बैठे हैं और एग्जामिनर ने अपना क्वेश्चन पुटअप किया है और उस टाइम पे यू आर थिंकिंग समथिंग, यू डोंट नो हाउ टू स्टार्ट और वेयर टू स्टॉप, व्हाट टू से, व्हाट नॉट टू से। ओ माय गॉड, कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। तो उस टाइम पे उस सिचुएशन को, वो साइलेंट सिचुएशन जो क्रिएट हो चुका है, तो उस टाइम पे आप क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? आप बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीके का फ्रेजेस यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि ओह दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट। सो इस तरह से आप उस साइलेंट सिचुएशन को इनहैंस करते हुए अपनी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स को दिखा सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम टू द टिप 2। Let's see tip 2 क्या कहती है। Tip 2 says that three part answer formula। अब three part answer formula क्या है? I will tell you। इसका मतलब ये है, first give direct answer, short answers दो। Sometimes you don't have to say everything about it or you have to explain each and every bit of it. Sometimes you should keep short and simple, easy. Okay, second is reason. Whatever you are saying, you should explain why. You should justify whatever you are speaking. Okay, now the third one is give examples. For example, if you're saying something, you should always add your personal experience to that story or the speaking, whatever you are saying to the examiner. Okay, now let's move forward to the tip 3. So tip 3 says show your vocabularies, show range of vocabularies. That means हमें different type of vocabulary words का use करना है, which is very important point when you are doing your speaking practice. Okay, so you have to make sure that you use different kinds of vocabulary words for explaining a particular word. Okay, so for example, instead of saying good, nice, bad, you can say fantastic, disappointing. You can use such different words, remarkable. So such words actually enhance your speaking more, and the examiner feels good about it because the vocabulary words which you are using will indirectly or directly make your speaking look nice, and it gives peace to the ears. Okay, let's move to the tip 4. So tip 4 says that your fluency and accuracy is very important whenever you are going for your exam of speaking. Okay, so in that, sometimes we are, committing mistakes, grammatical errors are there, the pronunciation problem is there. So at that time, you don't have to stop and correct yourself again and again, or don't correct yourself too much, because that can be a negative marking for you. Fine. So you have to keep in mind that your fluency should be very correct. Your accuracy, you have to maintain that fluency. You don't have to stop too much. And sometimes natural pauses are appreciable, right? So always keep in your mind that you have to take care of fluency and your accuracy while speaking. Okay, friends. Now let's discuss about the last tip for the speaking module. So the last tip says that add personality. That means you have to be yourself. Be natural as much as you can. Fine. So you have to keep in mind that you don't have to express too much. Your body language should be very, calm and composed. Even if you're feeling nervous, don't let it come on your face. Fine. Even if you're feeling sweaty and you're not comfortable with the environment, so you cannot be very rigid. You don't have to act like a robot. You don't have to talk like a textbook. Okay, otherwise you'll sound like robotic. Fine. So you have to be calm and composed. You take a deep breath. You think about it. You can ask for the time. As I told you, you can use that tip one at in such situations. Okay, so always be natural, be yourself. Okay, friends. I hope you liked the video and the speaking 5 tips are useful for you. So for more such videos and for more such content, please subscribe Bhasha Mantra and follow and hit to the bell icon. Bye bye.